In this video, you'll learn how to use Higgsfield AI for creating engaging Instagram Reels. By following these instructions, you will be able to generate unique video content with ease. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This is the first step in accessing the Higgsfield AI platform, which will assist you in creating your Instagram Reels. Once you are on the Google homepage, type in the search query, how to use Higgsfield AI for Instagram Reels, and press the enter key. This will provide you with relevant links and resources related to your search. After the search results load, locate the link for Higgsfield AI and click on it to be directed to the official site. Ensure that you are on the correct website before proceeding, as this is essential for accessing the tools needed for your Reels. On the Higgsfield AI homepage, look for the option labeled Create Sora 2 Trends Simple, Fast and Accessible and click on it. This section will guide you through the process of creating video content tailored for Instagram. Next, find the option that says Turn Ideas into Viral Videos in Minutes. No complex tools or skills needed. Click on this to access the features that will help you generate your content quickly and efficiently. Now, look for the link that says Instagram Reels and click on it. This will take you to the specific area designed for creating Reels, ensuring that you have the right tools at your disposal. At this point, you will be prompted to describe the scene you want to create for your Reel. Provide a detailed description to help the AI understand your vision and generate relevant content. After entering the scene description, click on the Visuals and Sound option. This section will allow you to customize the elements of your video, further enhancing its appeal and effectiveness. Following this, locate and click on Settings. This area allows you to adjust various preferences related to your video, ensuring that it meets your requirements for Instagram. Next, click on the Product option. Here you can select the type of content you want to create, which will influence the style and format of your Reel. You will then need to select a photo or video that you want to include in your Reel. This is an important step, as the visuals you choose will significantly impact the overall quality of your content. Once you've made your selection, click on Open. This will upload your chosen media into the Higgsfield AI platform for further processing. Now, find and click on Preset. This feature offers you predefined styles and formats that can enhance your video, making it more engaging for viewers. After that, click on All Presets to view a variety of options available to you. Browse through these presets to find one that best fits your creative vision. Next, click on Use Cases. This section will provide examples of how different presets can be effectively utilized for various types of content, including Instagram Reels. Locate and click on Product Ads. This option will help you explore how to create advertisements specifically designed for products within your Reels. Then click on Viral Ads. This feature is aimed at generating content that has the potential to go viral, increasing your reach on Instagram. Next, click on UGA. This stands for User-Generated Content, which can be a powerful way to engage your audience through relatable material. After that, click on Socials. This section will guide you in creating content that is optimized for sharing across social media platforms. Then click on TikTok. Although this is geared towards TikTok, the tools available can also be utilized for Instagram Reels effectively. Next, choose a viral video preset that you want to apply to your content. This will enhance the chances of your Reel capturing audience attention. Finally, click on Generate. This action will initiate the process of creating your Instagram Reel based on the selections and inputs you've provided. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.